Rolling. So what do I do? Nothing? Do I need to do something?
No, that's it.
Wait, let me take a picture with my camera.
You're on camera.
That's probably
This one looks good.
yeah.
Yeah, those
Cheers.
look really good. This is crazy. Are you having fun, Ella?
This one. Yeah. It's a minion. Oh, you know what?
It looks like you're in a cornfield, Ella. When you're
Head forward. No. Just don't look up or down. Just, yep.
Hey, dude. Hi. Hi. Are you wondering what this is? No. She's got the food. Aww, you guys are so cute. Lightning, this is you. Do you see yourself? Look at that. Is that a handsome man? Yeah, it is. Do you see yourself? Is that spooky? We're washing dishes. Exciting. Maureen's here.
Pumpkin Hill. Hey there.
Hi.
So I went to
It stays in there.
right
You put it in the freezer.
road like I normally do.
Do we want to put the butter and the jelly down here by the biscuits?
Yeah, I love rhubarb. I don't.
My bubble.
Yeah.
My bubble. Hey, Callie, that's my bubble.
Dude, I see your bubbles. Those are so cool. We're all here.
And put.
This time, after seeing that, I think I'm gonna have to dig deep. If at any point anybody feels like joining in, have at it.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't know.
Sing along.
Take me out to the ball game.
Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back.
Oh, it's root, root, root for the
Cardinals. Oh.
If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
Woo! Yeah.
So whoever has a number 1 up, that's me. And whoever has a number 2 up, that's has pull. So whoever has the most ones wins. So you can't look.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't really want to vote.
Yeah, who's counting all these fingers, you guys? Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to pick.
Okay, I'm seeing a lot of ties, but I think the twos might have it, you guys.
Bo's got a 2 right on his shirt.
Oh yeah, he does.
That was easy.
Can you do a somersault, Ronnie?
Bo, it's your turn. What's your turn? Oh, we had it! You're 2?
2.
You're 2?
2.
Oh!
No! Yes. You. I was like, no.
I tried to grab it and I hit it and it went over.
That's right out of your hand, didn't it?
Yeah.
What? Let me see.
They're my colors. Ooh.
I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in.
Look how old he is now.
Is the chicken pox photo in there?
I hope so.
Yeah.
Woo, he looks so happy about it.
It's just me fixing John's hair because he had curly hair.
Oh, John's student ID card's in there. Oh my god. Although I have no idea where we are.
That was your uniform?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was probably for the church directory.
Yeah.
These are drinking water, which is actually fascinating.
Come on. We've got a nice landing pad right here.
Cool.
That's literally a leaf.
Well, that's him though. I don't think it's a leaf.
No, it's not. I can see him sucking the banana, but what?
It literally looks like a leaf.
With legs. I really want to
would
know.
open up.
Yeah, right?
Did you just say that?
She would
If you tickle his belly, if he would.
share his feelings with us.
What do you do?
Is that all you want?
I need at least 5 seconds of screen time.
I'm back in Iowa. I'm home from home. But that's also still home. But now this is home. But I'm at my place. There we go. I'm at my place in Iowa again. While I was back home, my whole family was there. We finally were able to go through my late Aunt Marie's stuff that she wanted us to have after she passed. She was a huge crafter, so she made a bunch of clothing for fashion shows. So this is hers. I freaking love it so much. It's so cool. I'll do a fashion show. Actually, yeah, let's do a fashion show. It's so cute. Are you kidding? Okay, I'm gonna put this one on just for the camera, but I couldn't get it off by myself. The last time I put it on, I had to have my mom take it off, so pray for me. It's so soft. Arms first? Is that the method? Oh! Okay, easier than I thought, but we're not at the shoulders yet. Oh! She got it. She got it. Okay, I don't know about this one. It's really not my style at all. But It was 100% cotton, so thought I'd do it. I don't know. I also got this little gator for the winter. Is that what they're called? Gators? Did I make that up? I don't think so. Thank you, Aunt Marie. Love you. Aww. I always fold my neighbor's laundry if it's like in the dryer and I need to use the dryer. And she just loves it so much. And it just, I think it brightens both of our days so much. But yeah, they got me all of this stuff. And so I saw that this morning when I went to put my towels in the washing machine. So cute. Also, I got new glasses. My face looks pink because I have a salt lamp on. But here they are. Anyway. Okay. Bye. Those are my updates already.
They probably got it.
With my sunglasses on. This truck is cute too. Okay, there's a slide.
Get up there, girl. Oh, she's made it to the top. Oh, crikey, mate, it's way high up there. Here she comes, here she comes. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, there she is. Lady. Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
You're adorable. We're friends now.
Just gonna stay here all day.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I'm loving this goat.
Oh,
I'm sorry. This goat is so good. Are you kidding me?
Video record the goat.
He is killing it. Can you do that for the camera?
But for a maze?
Would you actually get this one?
No, I'm not gonna get a huge one. What are you talking about, bitch?
Nice. Launch.
That was faster than I thought.
Yeah, dude.
Here we go, let's get the noise. You had a bounce. I'm scared, guys. My children.
I don't know if it's kind of funny we're doing all of the Halloween stuff in one weekend.
Yes, it makes it fun though.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. We're carving a pumpkin.
Carving a pumpkin. What if we did two faces?
Face here and a face there.
Yeah.
I watched anime all day in the library.
Oh my god, I watched Stranger Things all day in my house.
No way, we did the same thingsies.
Oh my gosh.
Go for a little bit of fun.
Little entertainment. Like, keep my...
He's so cute. So we had to move this party inside because it was raining.
And it's like 4 days later.
Yeah. It's taken us like...
A week and...
Yeah.
3 days?
To carve this pumpkin.
We're slacking. This is gonna be the most beautiful sad pumpkin ever. You just wait.
Okay. I just think that my side's really good. And once you start doing this, you're gonna realize how difficult it kind of is.
Okay, one eyeball down.
This one, you went a little further.
Oh, yeah. But, you know, you can't see it from this
Rookie
side.
mistake. Show your side.
He's a sad boy. This is good arts right here. Arts and crafts. You know?
Yeah, that's a vibe. I think the tongue is a vibe.
Man, I'm telling you. You know how, like, each personality...
So that's an orange moon.
Yep.
For everyone who can't tell. Oh. And so begins the season of winter sunrises. Yes. Yes. So my glasses are great. I like them, I've decided. But I haven't gotten them adjusted yet, so they keep sliding off of my face. So that's really annoying. I'm finger knitting again, which for my last update about finger knitting, I have not really finger knitted, so I'm definitely not selling anything at the farmer's market. But I'm having a great time right now rewatching Stranger Things and finger knitting. I've been doing this since 8 a.m. and it is now 1:46. Oh my gosh, my cousin Allison just sent me Andrew Garfield's chicken shop date. If you haven't seen that, click off of this video right now and go watch that, because it's felt really nice to just sit in my house and finger knit and watch Stranger Things and listen to the wind blow like crazy outside. I haven't done that for a long time, so that was really nice, but I feel like doing something else. So let's go through my clothes. Is that gonna be fun to watch? I don't know. All these miscellaneous flies in my house too. Crazy. Crazy. I also just accidentally deleted footage on my camera that I didn't mean to. And it's hard to not be hard on myself when I do stuff like that. So I'm just trying to tell myself it's okay. If I didn't need it, I can just recreate the footage. It'll be fine. I don't know where to start. Okay, so this is my pathetic pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of. Okay, but here's the thing. Every time I get rid of clothes right before winter, I regret it, because during the winter, I will literally throw on anything and everything to stay warm. So I'm gonna keep it for now. That's my excuse. But I did clean a little bit, so I was gonna start clapping, but I can't because I only have one hand. Go me! This is my avocado tree that I'm growing, and we'll see if she lasts through the winter and how tall she gets. Okay, Pav, you're watching me harvest garlic. If you've ever harvested garlic before, props to you. If you've never harvested garlic before, don't do it. Or maybe I'm just doing it a terrible way. But listen, I was just told to harvest the garlic and I'm doing it. So I'm literally just lying in the dirt. Garlic bulbs. 10 maybe. There's what I've done. There's what I have to do left. And there's my garlic. Morning! Time to go let the chickens out. Yeah, so it's fall. It's fall. Like, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Hoo, hoo. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Landscaping check. These are my zinnias. They're so cute. We have a cover crop growing. I love the smell of dead leaves. I love it. I love it so much. You can just whiff it in. Oh my gosh, our pear tree is turning. That's cutie. Zena! Good morning, cutie girl. Hey, girlfriend. What did you do last night? Did you hunt mice? Did you find a mouse? Did you hunt a bird? Oh, you're so cuddly right now. Well, I gotta let the chickens out. Serious business. Okay, okay. I get it. You want to hang. That's very sweet of you. But can you hear the chickens screaming for me? Good morning! Hi, everyone. Oh, wait up. Wait. No. Okay, whatever. Goodbye. So it seems that someone else has dug up the rest of the garlic. Am I sad about that, you ask? Well, no. Honestly, no. Oh, there's a cat. Hi, cat. We can see you. You're really on theme for Halloween. Xena, who's that cat down there? Do you know that cat? Are you guys friends? Okay, come on, Xena. Let's go. She was like, call from Charlene Bowman. And she was like, answer? And I was like, yes, answer. And it worked. I'm on a walk right now in Lamson Woods, which I still really want to take you to when you come back to Fairfield. It's so cute. Ah, it's so pretty though. Hi, Brett. I'm doing phenomenally. Yeah, I just started a walk, so in a really pretty spot, so that's why. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh. Oh. It's so scary. You're so scary.
She was doing parkour earlier. She was
like running around.
Yeah, she like ran across the carpet. I was sitting on the couch. She ran up the couch, across my chest. And then like, yeah, sometimes she goes freaking wacko.
My sister calls that the zoomies.
Yeah,
when
when she gets zoomy, she's intense. She's a whole other cat.
Fly away to on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away, I'll fly away. I'll fly away, your glory. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. There it is. Yee. Thank you.
Going on a walk. What if I just like sang everything that was happening, and then by the time I string all the clips together, it's just one big long song of me saying what's going on? Yeah.